All right, $10,000 in 30 days. It's aggressive, but doable. First, what are you good at? Seriously, make a list. What skills do you have that people will pay for? Can you write, design, code, tutor, or even organize closets? Everything is on the table. We need income streams that pay well and pay fast. Forget slow burns. Think freelance gigs, consulting, or even selling high-demand items. Look at platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even local classifieds. What problems can you solve right now for people willing to pay? Network like crazy. Tell everyone you know what you're doing and what you offer. Keep a close eye on your income. What's working? What's not? Double down on the winners and ditch the losers. Every day counts. Stay focused, stay hungry, and remember why you started. You got this.